MLA kan begeri konstitusi seleng isama prapan pau jang nuat bok skajala kan penuno skim MLA namar klap kelam rapan ban ngin mikmat seleng bederu MLA kan CPU lapan tep bak komunu mikmat ulap ki MLA ki kelalong marapan ban nak jinton jok ka skim namar ka community jung pa ba kalong ka pal liam bat community ki MLA ban ailut kat ka kidon kat ba ka skim bat ka detang akul steng unu MLA bederu samar skajala ulo ba pa ba ki community ben bagi di benyo ai na MLA scheme bakani hi ke perwitar hadu kata-kata kin mikmat halakowe pakajengkeli usaleng ulong pakasuka jala ka de bakantino ka song pisa jong ke MLA scheme hawa personal rem kar kom kujindon ke patna sosnong ha ki constituency
irritating and frustrating, you get it? And then we have become a prisoner to our own device. Get it? This MLA scheme is nothing but just a scratching out. It's irritating so much, and then people expectancy is too high. It's only 2.5, okay? But the people expect us to give everything for them. With this 2.5, do you think you can give, for example, my constituency? I've got nearly 400 colonies. For these 400 colonies, can you imagine this 2.5 will be enough? So, the people perseverance, the perception, I want to change it. You see, once you do away with this MLA scheme, or otherwise increase it, okay? With this 2.5, you cannot satisfy anybody. Even if I do a job, for example, now I have, every now and then, like I'm going to every nook and corner, I'm going to each and every minister, each and every department, taking all kinds of applications. Every now and then we are giving application after application, okay? We're begging for the development to my people. And we are getting also. Even if we get those development, if I don't give them personally, what they will say is that you haven't given me anything yet. Though they are working in that, they are working through that particular PWD department road also. Though they are getting all kinds of development through like PH department, health department. Even they gain all those things, but yet they still will ask for the MLA scheme, which is so irritating. That's why I will, if I had a chance, then I will ask the government to do away with this MLA scheme. For example, in the compact area, like in the town or the city, they are educated people, they don't need it, okay? In my constituency also, I'm not saying that everybody needs it, requires it, but only some, but few irritates also. For example, whenever I go to my constituency or area, they'll say that, okay, give me money for the delivery, give me money for the admission, give me money for, schoolings, give me money for the hospitalizations, everything. That is part of the one thing. Another thing is that give me scheme, everybody. How are you supposed to entertain each and everybody with 2.5 only? Just imagine that. It's a curse for us, it's a curse. 2.5 is a curse for us. For example, I've got 200, I've got 400 colonies, right? Now, if each of the colony asks for the, RCC culvert, then how much I can offer, tell me? If each of the, colonies ask for the road, how much I can offer to that road? With this 2.5, do you think I can be, I will be available to, it will be available to, construct 2 kilometers of road? Huh? What about the 399? Towards the MLAs also, that is one thing. And another thing is that, during the MLA election, people will have the right mind to judge the right person. Otherwise, they bought any Tom, Dick and Harry who doesn't know anything also. And those who can give more money, That way, even those who are standing also, he will be, he will think twice even to stand also. And those who are voting, especially the voters, will think 100 times to vote. Because without MLA scheme, they just cannot break into anybody's house and then ask for money. As if there are legitimate right, They think this MLA scheme is their legitimate right, that they should get it. But whereas this MLA scheme was given to, fill up the gap. Where the road is bad, where the football field is required, where this, road condition is bad. It was meant for that. But people think it is the legitimate right, but right, then it should be given to them only, personally. Because the MLA scheme, accordance with the area, the population, maybe according with the area, I can say, because our population ratio, it's not, educating with the, what the population of that particular area also, because with that particular, amount, you cannot cover all, because people need road, people need culvert, people need community hall, people need everything, and they expect not only those things, even if I do that also, they're still expecting, they need it personally, where it is wrong. That's why instead of asking, they should do away with these things. You get it? So that we will change the perseverance